Let's start with a simple analogy. If game development is like directing a movie, then graphics programming is like inventing the camera. Both are crucial, both are complex, but they serve very different purposes and require different mindsets. Let's talk about game development first. As a game developer, you are primarily focused on creating engaging experiences. You are thinking about game mechanics, player interaction, level design, storytelling, and how all these elements come together to create something fun. You're using game engines like Unity or Unreal Engine or Godot, which already have powerful graphics capabilities built in. But graphics programming? That's a whole different beast. Graphics programmers are the ones who build the systems that game developers use. They are deep in the trenches with linear algebra, working directly with the GPU, writing shaders, and optimizing rendering pipeline. You're not thinking about whether a game is fun. You're thinking about how to render 10 million polygons efficiently while maintaining 60 frames per second. Here's a practical example. When a game developer wants to add a cool fire effect to their game, they might use a particle system in their game engine, adjust some parameters, and create something that looks great. But a graphics programmer, they are the one who built that particle system from scratch. They had to figure out how to effectively render thousands of particles, how to handle transparency sorting, how to optimize GPU memory usage, and how to make it all run smoothly. The skill sets are too different. Game developers need a broad knowledge base: programming, design, animation, sound, and more. Graphics programmers need deep, specialized knowledge in a few key areas: advanced mathematics, GPU architecture, optimization techniques, and low-level graphics APIs like OpenGL, Vacuum, or DirectX. Now, here is something important. Neither field is better than the other. They are complementary. The most amazing graphics technology isn't worth much without great games to use it, and the best game ideas need solid graphics technology to bring them to life. What fascinates me about both fields is how they intersect. Understanding graphics programming makes you a better game developer because you know what's happening under the hood, and knowing game development helps graphics programmer create better tools and systems that developers actually want to use. If you are wondering which path to choose, ask yourself this. Are you more excited about creating complete game experiences, crafting gameplay mechanics, and telling stories? Then game development might be your path. But if you find yourself fascinated by how light intersects with surfaces, how 3D models are rendered on screen, and you love diving deeper into mathematical problems, graphics programming might be calling your name. Watch this video to discover how to make money from game development.